What happened?
What happen if you add salt to ice?
Yes. So today's experiment is on what happens if you add salt to ice. Okay, Aradhya, let's start experiment. Okay. So what is this?
Salt.
Okay, 1 tablespoon salt. What is this? Salted bowl. So we put salt in this bowl. See everyone? And this is empty bowl.
Empty bowl.
Okay, and what is this?
Ice.
Yes, this is ice. So now the experiment is all about what happens if you add salt to ice. So let's start with the experiment. This is salt. Let's put Aradhya, put few ice cubes in this. Fast. The ice is melting fast. Put in this fast. Do the experiment quickly. Okay, students. See, listen it carefully. We are making it out, and this is okay, Ara, do it fast. Try your best. Okay, so 2 ice cubes in this. Okay, now let it be. So see. Yes. Now Aradhya, just where is your hand? Show me fast. Yes. Put this salt in this ice. Salted bowl. In the salted bowl. Yes. Now let's see everyone. Let's see the process of melting ice. Which ice is melt fast? Where we put ice in the empty bowl. Yes, we put ice in this empty bowl, and this ice we put salt in the base of this bowl, and again we put 1 tablespoon salt over the ice. Yes, Aradhya?
Yes.
What we did? We did first the base with the salt.
Yes.
Then we put ice in this, and then what we did? We did this salt. Yes, this salt into the ice again, and this bowl is with salt plus ice, and this bowl is only with ice. So what happened with this? What we can see, the ice cubes are still become the ice cubes, and in this I think the ice cubes are melting fast in this. What is your opinion, Aradhya? Tell me fast. What is your opinion? According to you, what happened to this ice? Let's see. I'm not touching this spoon in this bowl, so that I'm not just keeping the salted spoon away from this bowl, so that the experiment is clean and clear to everyone. So we are waiting, and the timer is on and on. And let's see what happened. I'm not switching off the video. Okay, Aradhya, tell me something about the experiment. Anything what you want to say? Fast. Speak. This is
ice
and salt.
salt.
And this is don't touch. Yes, say it like this.
This is ice.
Yes, this is only ice. These are ice cubes, and this is in this bowl. Here we put few ice cubes and 2-3 ice cubes and salt. And as we can see in the experiment, that this ice cubes are melting, and it's approximately melt. It approximately melts, and see what happened with this ice. It is still ice cube in the form of solid. Okay, now Aradhya, can you tell me why this melts and this not melts? This melts faster, and why this melts slower as compared to this? Tell me fast. What we add in this? That is the reason. Tell me fast.
Salt.
Yes, salt is the reason. We put salt in this, and the salt molecules makes this ice cube molecules, solid molecules away. Okay, and in this way this salt melts faster. Okay.
Yes.
Oh yes. So let's wait for our experiment. Still we are doing it. Okay. Let's revise. Okay, Aradhya, tell me about this experiment. How you are feeling with the experiment? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I am very happy.
Okay. And tell me something more. Who write this? You write this?
Yeah.
And this?
Yeah.
And this?
No.
Okay. And who arrange all these experiment for you?
Me.
You alone. Oh, you are a super boy. It means you are a super boy. Let's see what happened with this once again. You can, as you can see, the ice cubes melts faster in the salt. Yes or no, students? Yes, Aradhya? As you can see, the ice melts faster in this. And this ice, see, without salt, the ice cubes are still in the position of ice cube. They are still ice cubes. So, the video, the experiment is over to this. And the final answer for this, final conclusion for the experiment. What do you understand with the experiment? What you understand with the experiment, Aradhya?
I will understand.
I understand.
I understand.
Huh?
Ice and salt become water.
When we put salt in ice, then this melts ice faster, and this ice melts. As this ice melts faster, so this become in the phase of liquid water. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. And what about this? What you understand with this? Don't touch with the salted hand, Aradhya. You touched this earlier. Now you touching this also. Don't touch with the salted hand. Okay. Tell me what you learn about this. Fast.
I learned this ice is no melt.
Okay. This ice is no melt. So,
See.
this ice melts slower. Okay. This ice melts. See the liquid, the water in this bowl. Aradhya, see the water in this bowl. This ice melts. But this ice melts slower as compared.
This is faster.
In this experiment, in this bowl, the ice melts faster, and in this bowl, the ice melts slower. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So, final conclusion is when we put salt in ice, it melts faster. Repeat. When we put ice and salt
When we put ice and salt
in a bowl, it melts faster.
it melts faster.
You can also do this. You can also do thumb. Give me a thumbs up. Yeah. This is not a thumbs up. Do it like this. Yes. And when we put when we put no salt in the ice, then the ice melts at room temperature. Okay, repeat with me. No salt in ice, it melts.
No salt in ice.
It melts at room temperature.
It melts at room temperature.
Very good. So thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.